If you're managing environmental conditions using HVAC sensors or manual checks, you're likely missing the most critical risks on the production floor. The highest condensation and contamination risks don't come from averaged building data. They come from localized conditions near cold rooms, packaging lines, and sanitation areas. This video walks through a DL10-centric environmental monitoring architecture used in a large food processing facility in order to measure temperature, humidity, and dew point at critical control points, automate compliance data collection, and reduce response time when conditions drift. Food and beverage manufacturers operate under strict HACCP requirements, where even small environmental deviations can introduce contamination risk or trigger audit findings. In many facilities, production floor conditions change rapidly and aren't accurately captured by centralized sensors. At the same time, compliance documentation is often manual and inconsistent, and environmental excursions are detected too late to prevent issues. This system was designed to solve those problems directly. The architecture starts at the sensing layer. DL10 modules are installed at critical control points throughout the facility, including cold rooms, packaging lines, and sanitation zones. These sensors measure temperature, relative humidity, and dew point directly where product and equipment are exposed. Communication is handled over RS-485 using Modbus RTU, providing reliable data transmission over long distances and electrically noisy environments. Dew point is calculated in real time, allowing early identification of condensation risk before moisture forms on surfaces. Environmental data from each DL10 is then aggregated and logged by the DL100SEW. This IP66 rated data logger continuously stores timestamp temperature and humidity data in a centralized format. Logging is fully automated, eliminating manual record keeping and simplifying compliance reporting. Data is accessible over Ethernet for reviewing trends, verifying compliance periods, and analyzing excursions during audits. In order to reduce reliance on manual response, the system includes an automated output layer using the TMP8. When environmental conditions approach defined limits, the TMP8 converts alarm events into physical actions such as visual indicators, audible alarms, or auxiliary ventilation control. This allows corrective action to occur immediately instead of waiting for operator intervention. System-level monitoring and decision logic are handled by the WISE 5231 Edge controller. It evaluates temperature, humidity, and dew point data against operating thresholds and provides real-time visibility through dashboards and alerts. By coordinating sensor data, logged records, and automated outputs, the controller enables faster response while supporting remote access and ongoing oversight. So with this architecture in place, the facility achieved continuous, localized monitoring at critical control points, reduced condensation risk, and improved food safety assurance. Automated logging and alerting strengthened HACCP compliance and audit readiness while eliminating manual documentation. Faster detection and response to environmental excursions minimized production disruptions and helped protect product quality. So if you're designing or upgrading an environmental monitoring system, this DL10-centered architecture provides a practical, scalable blueprint. By measuring conditions where risk actually exists and combining sensing, logging, decision-making, and automated response, facilities like yours can move from reactive compliance to proactive control. For help adapting this exact approach to your application, you can contact us directly at sales@icp-usa.com, or you can head straight over to our website at icp-usa.com. Every single product that was mentioned in this video will be in the description below so that you can check them out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, I would recommend checking out our Basics of Industrial Automation playlist, which you should see on screen right now.